Hello everyone, you're watching Flavors and this is Sakshi. Sukhdi or Gol Papdi is a really popular Gujarati sweet dish, and in today's Ganesh Chathurti special video, I decided to shape it in the form of Modaks. So let's get started with the recipe. So let's start making the Sukhdi or Gol Papdi. In a deep bottom pan, I'm going to add in half a cup of ghee and we'll let it melt. To add in a cup of flour. Right now I'm adding in multigrain flour, but you may even use wheat flour. Now give this a very good mix and roast it on a low flame. Important in making sukhdi to constantly stir the atta to prevent it from burning and to help it roast evenly. Roasting, I'll take a steel plate and lightly grease it with ghee, because on this we'll be setting the Gol Papdi or sukhdi. As we keep mixing the mixture, it becomes even more loose in consistency, and in about 6 to 7 minutes it will be roasted and ready, and you will see the change. It becomes even more brown in color. Now we'll add in half a cup of jaggery. So the ratio is just half cup of ghee to 1 cup flour and half cup jaggery. And now we'll off the flame. Now this is a little crucial step. So mix vigorously until the jaggery melts. In 3 minutes the jaggery will melt and the mixture will be nice and smooth. It won't be crumbly and brittle. So once this is completely melted, I'll remove half of this into the grease plate for making the sukhdi or Gol Papdi. And the remaining half we'll remove in another plate to make the modaks. So we'll spread the mixture evenly in the plate and add in some chopped dry fruits and cardamom powder from the top, which is optional. Press the mixture using a spoon or a spatula. And then immediately before the mixture hardens, cut it using a knife in your desired shape. Making the modaks, here I have a modak mold which I've lightly greased with ghee and spread a few dry fruits. And now I'll place in the mixture. So we'll now press the mixture in very firmly, and this is to be done when the mixture is hot. So we'll have to be a little careful. We'll then add in some more mixture. Press it in firmly again and then gently open up the modak mold, and the modak is ready. It's a perfect prasad for Ganesh Chathurti. So I really hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do try it out and share your reviews, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Flavors. Till then, this is Sakshi signing off. Goodbye.